How to fix ING Australia app won't let me log in. So the problem might cause due to the unstable connection of your network. Firstly, you have to make sure that your internet connection is stable enough. Once you have the strong connection, the next thing you want to do is head over to your app store. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for ING Australia Banking. Tons of different applications will be visible to you, but head over to this one. You have to make sure that this application is up to date. Instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be more the reason that you are facing this issue. Simply click on update and have the latest version of the app. Once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Inside settings, proceed to general. Head over to iPhone storage. You will land on this page where all the application that is available on your device will be visible to you. You have to search for ING Australia app. Once you find it, head over to it. Tap on Offload app. Once again click on Offload app. It means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing. With all of this, if you are still facing the issue, then the next thing you want to do is uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely help you out, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix ING Australia app won't let me log in. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.